I wanted to share with you some tips that I used when I made this purse pattern. The pattern is called Carry This. It's from the designer Seems Like a Dream. This is the components of the purse all ready to be sewn together. I did add interfacing to the strap, which she did not do in the pattern. Wonder tape was used to hold all of the zippers, and there's 3 of them in this pattern, in place before stitching. Great tip from Renee Savage. There weren't any photos for step 11 on page 3. This is what it looks like when you're sewing this step. The pocket linings are on top, the zipper is in between, and the outside pocket is underneath. In place of the braid accent, I used cork, and you cut it 3 by 10.5. Step 8 on page 6 has you draw a square for the cutout to make the purse have a square bottom. What you need to do is be sure to back stitch that side seam before you cut that square out. I also stitched around that square 1/8 of an inch from the drawn line to hold those layers together. The white tool underneath the walking foot is a height compensator tool. Use it when you're going from a thin area of the seam to a thicker area of the seam so that the machine will move smoothly. I used cork for the handle tabs. Cork does not fray, therefore you reduce the bulk in those handle tabs.